In this video, we are going to discuss about the natural gas hydrates. Natural gas hydrates. So, what is natural gas hydrate? It is a solid-like structure in which large amount of methane is trapped within a crystal structure of the water. This is a basic definition of the natural gas hydrate. Sometimes it is also called as methane clathrate, solid ice, or the methane hydrates. So these are the few other names of the natural gas hydrate, and in this picture a representation of methane hydrate or natural gas hydrate are showing how this structure is just like a solid structure in which the methane is trapped in a cage. In this picture, how the actual image of the natural gas hydrates is showing here and how it is burning. So since it is the hydrocarbon plus water, so hydrocarbon for the burning, water, you can see water is taken out when the burning will start. So this is sometimes also called as a burning ice. Natural gas hydrates. So 1 mole of the methane is trapped in the 5.75 moles of water. So this is an average value. This is taken as average methane hydrate composition basically. The average methane hydrate composition is dependent on how many methane molecules fit into the various cage structure of the water lattice. So basically this is an average value 5.75 moles of water in which 1 mole of methane will be trapped. So in a cage will be formed of water, so more water is required and methane will be trapped in that cage. So obviously more water moles will be required for the 1 mole of methane, and since we have different cage structures, so it's totally depend on the different types of the cage structure. Overall it is a average value that need to be remembered, 5.75 moles of water. The second thing about the natural gas hydrate, so the observed density is about 0.9 gram per centimeter cube, and if you know that water have 1 gram per centimeter cube, it means that it is lighter than the water. The third important statistics is 1 liter of methane clathrate solid, that is a natural gas hydrate, would contain on average 168 liter of the methane at standard condition of temperature and pressure. So these are the three basic information regarding the natural gas hydrates. Now come to the structure of the natural gas hydrate. So there are especially three basic structure of the natural gas hydrate: type 1, type 2 and type H. These structures are depend on the size and types of the cage formed by the water molecules. So we are going to look all these three structures one by one. Number one, the first, that is a type 1 structure, so in which the unit cell of type 1 consists about 46 molecules of the water, and which there are two different types of the cages. It's two cages, total 46 water molecule. These two cages of two small cage is in 2 unit cells, large cage 6 unit cell. So this is basically the total information regarding the type 1. So I will again explain with the help of some figure. This is small cage design. The small cage is basically the shape of pentagonal dodecahedron, means 5, 12. Pentagonals have 12 faces. The 12 different faces of the pentagonal is making the small shape. The large one, that large cage is basically the tetrahedron, and especially the hexagonal truncated trapezohedron. What it means that this is the shape means there are 12 faces of pentagonal and 2 faces of hexagonal. That makes one large cage. I will show these things through the images. And the third important information regarding the type 1 is the typical gas that is trapped in the type A are CO2, methane. So if the CO2 is trapped, that called the carbon dioxide clathrate. If methane is trapped, that is called the methane clathrate. See here, this one is one unit cell of type 1. So in this unit cell there are so many small cages. So these total cages is basically, I have already explained, there are 2 small cages. So 2 small cages and 6 unit of that the large cages. So in this one there are total 8 different cages. So a small cage shape is like this one and large cage is like this one. So in the large cage basically the shape is there are pentagonal of 12 faces and hexagonal of 2 faces. Top and bottom, these two are the hexagonal and the remaining is the pentagonal. But in this diagram 5 12 means pentagonal of the 12 faces. I'll again show you that figure. Now come to the type 2. The unit cell of type 2 consists of 136 water molecules forming the 2 types of cages. Same here. In type 1 there are 2 cages, here small and large cages. In this the small cage in the unit cell are 16 against the 8 large one. 16 small cages and 8 large cages. That makes the one unit cell. Now come to the small cage shape. The small cage shape is the pentagonal dodecahedron, that is 512. It is very much similar as in the case of the type 1. Same as in the type 1. But in the large shape one is hexadecahedron, means 5 12 6 4. So that is here basically the important thing. The shape is slightly changed here. We have a 6 hexa and 5 we have a 4 hexa and 12 faces of the penta. So slightly different from the shape 1. Type 2 hydrates are formed by the gases like O2 and N2. In the type H, next one. So in this there are 34 water molecules and there are 3 different cages. 2 small cages of different shapes and 1 huge cage. So there are 3 small cages. For example, this in one unit cell 3 cage of this shape, 12 cage of this shape and 1 cage of this shape. This total combines to make one cell of type H. The shape of this one, the first one, that is the 5 12 pentagonal of 12 faces. Shape of second small cage is 4 3 5 6 6 3, means there are 3 faces of rectangle, 6 faces of pentagonal and 3 faces of hexagonal. 5 12 6 8 tells about 12 faces of pentagonal and 8 faces of hexagonal. You can see like 1 2 3 4 and that's beyond 5 6, and then 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 here and 6 here. That makes the 12 pentagonal, and these are the 6 one. So in this way we can find out the total shapes. So the formation of type H requires the cooperation of two guest gases, means there will be a two guest gases molecules that to be entrapped in this type H. One should be the large one should be the small one for the stability of the type H. It is the large cavity that allows structure H hydrate to fit into large molecules like butane and other hydrocarbons. Give the presence of other smaller health gases to fill and support the remaining cavities. So large one should be filled, larger molecules, and then the smaller molecules just to support and make the stable molecule, a stable type of H shape of hydrate. So this is all about all these three types of the shapes. Now let us just compare one by one. For example, this type 1 is explained in these two shapes, type 2 2 kgs and type 3 3 kgs. So 2 kgs, 2 kgs, 3 kgs, and there are one shape of 512 and the second shape of the cage shape is the 512 In type 2, 1 kg is 512, same as in the type 1, but the second shape is slightly different from the type 1 512 In the type H 512, that is the same one, but these two cages, this small cage and this huge cage, have a different shapes, and there are 435663 and 51268. So these are the shapes, and basically with the help of these cages that makes the type 1, with the help of these two cages makes the type 2. So this is one example how the guest molecules are basically hosted, are entrapped in that one. So you see that is a pentagon. If you see all these are pentagon, and you can easily calculate all these 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 or 12. It can be a 12 one, 512. So 512 structure looks like this one. And similarly a complete one unit cell in which there are different number of cages of small one and large one will be associated, that makes the one unit cell I've already discussed about. But again if you see here, this brings much more detail about all these things. So 512, this is available in all these three structures, in type 1, type 2 and type H. 512, there are 2 cages of 512 and then there are 6 cages of 512 that makes 2 and 6. These two values makes one unit cell of structure 1 in which 46 water molecules are there. In type 2, 136 molecules are there. In one unit cell there are 8 shapes of this 512 4 16 shapes cages of 512, and in the unit H there are 34 water molecules, only one huge one, 2 small and 3 small shapes are there. So in this way, in this diagram, basically the complete information about all these three structures are given here. Especially they have given the guest molecules. For example, in the type 1, methane, ethane, carbon dioxide are the main guest molecules that are entrapped in this one. Propane and isobutane are entrapped in this one. Methane plus new hexane, there are 2 molecules. Methane plus cyclopentanes are basically the guest molecule in this type of the hydrates. So we can say that this is a complete one slide for the detail of each and every structure information. Again, we can also see that all these in type 1, type 2 and type H, all small, large, small, large, small, medium, large, you can say this is also a small one. The descriptions are given here, number of units are given here earlier in that same one. There are one more information that is available in this one, that is the basically the average cavity radius in the angstrom. So these values are given here, for example 3.95 and 4.33. These are the two cavity radius that tells about which type of molecule should be fitted in that particular cages. That's only the information. So in this way we can guess about the type of molecules that will be entrapped. In this diagram also, this is the X scale, Y scale that tells about the size of angstrom. It's increasing, means the small molecules are there, then bigger molecules are there. So obviously bigger molecules will be entrapped in the big one structures and smaller one in the smaller structures. For example, structure 2 is given here. So in the structure 2, these are the possible guest molecules. In the structure 1, these are the possible guest molecules like carbon dioxide. Structure 1, these are the possible guest molecule. For the structure 2, these are the possible guest molecules. So that tells about how the size impact and how the size basically tells about which type of structure will be there and which type of molecules will be trapped in that particular structure. So this is about the information regarding the cavity radius. So this is all about the gas hydrates and about its structure. Thank you very much.